This project called Keeping Rail on Track needs to be a priority in the rail industry because it's about the way that organisational cultures deal with safety. And we know that organisational culture has a big impact on the rate of injury and on the way in which organisations deal with the way injuries and illnesses happen at work. It also has impact on other outputs of an organisation, like the way it serves its customers. It won't solve the problem for the industry. The industry can really only do that for itself, but it will give the industry the evidence base that it needs to know what each individual enterprise needs to do. So what we're going to do is create a model of what is best practice safety culture in an organisation, and we're providing or refining a UK tool for use in the Australian industry that will enable organisations to get a quick fix on where they might need to put their attention. One of the interesting things we'll be doing in this project is bringing some lessons that we've learned from the mining industry here in Australia and using those as a filter for our analysis of the data that we collect. So we want to see if the lessons we've learned in the mining industry apply in another industry where there's high risk and there's a probability of high consequence but low probability incidents. The value to industry of this project, because the problem that it will solve is how you build an effective and safe and healthy organisational culture that takes into consideration matters to do with the way people work in the organisation. The value of that to industry is that it ends up with a really effective workforce and systems of work and processes of work that lead people to be healthy and safe at work. So it's about creating an environment in this industry which is fundamentally healthy and safe, which has a bearing not just on the cost of injury and illness, but also on the way organisations operate.